Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week we are celebrating Black history, African American history, and one of the things that you're going to get is a craft kit that has a freedom quilt in it for you to make, and some information on the history of the Freedom Quilt and the Underground Railroad. And today we're going to make a snack, and this snack is made from cornmeal, and that's one of the things that as the slaves were trying to get to their next place of safety and get their freedom, they used cornmeal as a staple in their meals. So what we're going to do is make a little cup of cornmeal, and that's going to turn into cornbread once it's in the microwave. You will get a recipe, and it has all the directions and everything you'll need. And basically what you'll need is some yellow cornmeal, and I used cornmeal mix. And you'll just use 3 tablespoons. You use a little bit of milk, a little bit of butter, and you mix that all up, and you put it in a cup. And this is the size cup that I used to make these. And you put this cup in the microwave for 30 seconds, then you look at it to make sure it's not bubbling over, and it shouldn't be, but if it is, turn it off a sec, turn it back on, and probably altogether this takes about 60 seconds, maybe a little more with your microwave. You might have to add 10 or 20 more seconds depending on your wattage. And this is what comes out of this little cup, and it's cornbread, and it's individual cornbread. And what you can do to make that really yummy for yourself is you might want to add a little peanut butter. Oh, that looks good. Okay. And some people just put a little butter on theirs. They don't add anything but that. And then some people will take syrup, and they will put a little, I bet that would be good. Ooh, a little syrup and a little peanut butter. And here's one. This is how it looks as it's running down the side. There's your individual corn muffin, and here's your other corn muffin. This one has peanut butter and syrup, and this one's just going to have syrup on it, just a little bit. And you can mix it with butter. You can also mix it with honey. It's really, really good with honey. So this is your snack that you can make at home. And on here it says, get help when you take this out of the microwave. It will be very hot, so you need an adult to help you with this. We miss you. We hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.